I finally decided to do a video of my weight loss reset that I kind of need to do. Yeah. It's been about 2 months since I posted the last video. I think that I shared just how much weight I gained post-pregnancy. While I've not been necessarily going to the gym as hard as I used to due to some medical sort of things, I decided that I would still stay active, and I've been doing that by pretty much doing like 10K steps a day. So that's pretty much what I've been doing. And then I've also been doing some light workouts here and there, but to be quite honest, I've done nowhere near as much as I know I could have been doing, especially when it comes to my diet. So I am hoping that this video is the first in the next chapter of what my fitness and physical activity life is going to be like. To start off, when it comes to workouts, because that's the easiest thing, my intention is I will go to the gym 3 times a week and hopefully long-term work with my personal trainer on one of the days. But for now, I feel like I need to just get back into the gym and just do cardio, because I haven't been, I don't know, on a treadmill in a minute. So my plan is just to set weekly goals. And so this week I'm planning on just going to the gym 3 times a week. And at the gym, I'm hoping to just do cardio and not so much weight training. I might start a challenge of the jump rope challenge, which I've always wanted to jump rope and I haven't yet learned how to do it. So this might be the week, but I don't know yet. Essentially 3 times a week at the gym. Then I'll continue to walk 10K steps every single day. Maybe weekends I might be off, or at least one of the days in the weekends I might not do 10K, but in general 10K steps a day. And food-wise, so food-wise, I've been kind of going back and forth as to what I want to do. I settled on doing smoothies for breakfast, and then I've also decided to try those TV dinners, like the lean cuisine ones. I think I'm going to do that for lunch and dinner, but at least just for one of my meals a day, I might just do the lean cuisine. I know there's a lot of like, oh, sodium and blah, 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 but to be quite honest, they're way better than the way I eat without that. So that's what I'm planning on doing. And with my smoothies as well, like I'm not gonna make my own smoothies. I found these Costco smoothies that I'm just gonna continue using. I've been using them for the last month. Mind you, I used to look down on these smoothies back in the day when I was vegan, because I'll be like, ooh, there's so much like processed, I don't know, blah blah blah. But like, I mean, there's not much. It's just like concentrated purees and stuff like that, which is high sugar. But to be quite honest, I'm just gonna use them and maybe throw in some veggies in the smoothie itself, just to make it a little bit more green, I guess. Anyway, so that's my plan for food. The key thing this week is to keep my sugar to a minimum, like meaning my refined sugar. In other words, I want to try to not eat any sugar at all outside of the fruit that's in my smoothies, or maybe fruit that I happen to eat. But yeah, that's pretty much my plan. I want to do these videos in the similar format. So I will be doing my weekly weigh-in and then kind of share my stats as well. I'm not going to record myself doing my measurements, but I will share them in this video and every week going forward. I still haven't decided if I want to make these vlog-ish, but I might, just to see what my weeks look like for me to be able to look back. But anyway, so that is my plan. Eat less sugar this week is the key goal, and eat those lean cuisine type meals for one of my meals. That is essentially what my plan is. And then we'll see how it goes. But yeah, wish me luck, you guys, because I'm kind of like, I know I need to do this, but I don't feel like doing it. But I do know that I'll feel better after doing it. I'll end this video now, but if you're on a weight loss journey yourself, I'd love to hear what are the little things that you're trying to do or doing to, I don't know, to get yourself back together. And yeah, I will hopefully try to be consistent with this, because yeah, we'll see. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.